Now that we have all the pieces crocheted, we are ready to assemble our back charm. So here we have the front panel, which has the small chain up at the top. You need to identify which will be your front and back side. This is going to be my front, and this is my back panel with the long chain. And this will be the front, and you should have 2 wings as well. To assemble them together, you're going to put the wrong sides facing each other, and we're going to nestle the wings between them. And make sure that the front panel is on the top so that your wings are facing the correct direction. Just identify where you want to put the wings, and it's really helpful at this point to clip them into place. However, I couldn't find my clips for this video, but just know that that is a really good option to help keep them exactly where you want them to be. Now for sewing your panels together, you're going to need a long strand of yarn about 24 inches long, and one end you will thread into a tapestry needle, and at the other end you're just going to make a slip knot. And just make sure you keep that little loop there. That will help us to secure the yarn to the piece. We're going to attach the yarn to the back panel first, working from the wrong side of the panel, going in through the single crochet that's right above your yellow stripes. And we're going to pull the yarn all the way through until we reach the slip knot. So there's the slip knot, and we're just going to leave that right there for the moment. Then move on to the next stitch, and you're going to put your tapestry needle through, going from the front side to the back side, and pull the yarn all the way through. And now this little slip knot comes into play. So put your tapestry needle through the loop, and then you're going to pull really tight to tighten, and that is going to lock your yarn in place. So now we're going to bring the 2 panels together, and remember that you're going to have the wrong sides facing each other. And we're essentially going to be weaving the yarn back and forth through the single crochet stitches to join them together. So here I'm going in from the back side of the panel to the front, pulling the yarn all the way through. Now make sure you put your wings into the location that you want them. And we are essentially going to be sewing back and forth through the panels and through the wings to secure the wings in place, as well as close off our pouch. So here we're going to be going through the front panel from the front to back, through the wing, and through the adjacent single crochet of the back panel. Pull it nice and tight to secure everything, and then we'll move on to the next single crochet stitch. And this time we'll be going from back to front, through the panel, and then through the wing, and then through the front panel. And just make sure you're going through the same stitch on both sides, that way it's nice and aligned. And you'll repeat this back and forth all the way around your pouch. So here I've sewn all the way down one side and around the bottom, and I'm reaching the other side where I need to add the other wing. So make sure that it's facing the right direction and place it in the location that you like. And just make sure that when you're doing the sewing through the panels, you're going through the wing as well. Once you reach the end, you can fasten off and weave in your ends. Your wings should be nice and secure, and you'll have a nice wide opening at the top of your bag.